All right, question of the day. One of our viewers sent me out a message that said, "Dear Casey Newman, I was a big girl, a very big girl, all of my adult life. I was huge yet invisible to most men. My life took a significant change and I lost over 140 pounds. Is it wrong for me to tell the men who ignored me before, who now are all up in my face, to go fuck themselves?" Well, we're about to get into that right now.
Last I heard, I was
dopest in the middle, dopest in the middle, dopest in the middle.
Last I heard,
Is it wrong? We'll get to that in a minute. What I want you to do right now, get online, go to that boutique that you really like, go find that dress. Matter of fact, when you walk in, walk up to the clerk and say, "Girl, where you keep them fucking dresses at?" You go put you on that fucking dress and just fuck them. Fuck them, girl. Thinking about it on a serious note, most men are attracted to what they think is attractive. So some of these guys may not see you as very attractive, but there are guys out there that did see you as attractive, that wanted to have your time and be in your face and stuff like that. And there's guys that you probably see right now that you're not attracted to, but if they would have made some significant change, you may be attracted to them, you know what I mean? I'm thinking that there's still a piece of it that isn't all the way right. And what I mean by that is, you're still holding on to a little bit of bitterness that you once had when you was at that level, when you was 140 pounds in the other way. I mean, sometimes people physically change and their mental doesn't change. In order to advance yourself, it can't just be a physical transformation. It has to also be a mental transformation. But the problem is that you're bringing that into the newer you. You know what I'm saying? So let's examine this. I got my body tight, my mind right, and now after all of that hard work, I'm loving the person I see in the mirror. So the difference beforehand was that you wasn't necessarily loving yourself. You basically said that. You said now you loving the person that you see in the mirror. So if you wasn't loving yourself with the same capacity that you loving yourself now and what you see in the mirror, if you wasn't loving what you saw in the mirror back then how can you expect another man to love that? And now that you got this new confidence, you know what I mean, you're feeling good about yourself, you got your body tight and stuff like that, of course they gonna be looking. Of course they gonna come around because your attitude is different. The way you glow is different because you feel yourself. You love yourself more now. And they see that. It's not just the physical appearance. There's an aura about you that you now possess that you didn't once have. And they see that about you. You saying that, you know, should you tell them fuck them and this, that, and the third? You shouldn't. And the reason is because that person in you has died. You got to kill that person off. You got to let that person go because you're no longer that individual. So you're trying to bring something from your old life into your new life. You can't do that. Let that type of thinking go. Anybody else out there that's going through situations like these where you decide to do a makeover on yourself, you know, you want to change your ways and stuff like that, make sure you're doing it for yourself. And then when you're doing it for yourself and you're loving yourself, make sure that you carry that love into that new era. But don't bring in that old way, that old hold me down thinking, because that's gonna keep you back. That aura is gonna set you right back into the way you which was. You know what I'm saying? All I can say is mistransformation. I'm happy for you that you made that transformation. Don't be bitter at the guys, you know what I mean? But every now and then, put that fucking dress on for them. Alright, I'm out.
Dopest in the middle.
Last I heard, I was
dopest in the middle. Dopest in the middle. Dopest in the middle.